Hi, my name is Vicki Tilley, and I'm a physical therapist and a geriatric clinical specialist. Today, I'd like to discuss Life Alert, one of the best-known medical alert system brands. So please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Life Alert was founded in 1987, and thanks to its popular catchphrase, "Help, I've fallen and I can't get up," it's still a popular brand today. Life Alert does things very differently from other medical alert systems we've reviewed. Some of their equipment is innovative, but their policies and prices could be a deal breaker. For starters, Life Alert is the only medical alert company that requires a long-term service contract. By signing up for Life Alert, you agree to pay a monthly fee for the next 3 years. The NCOA reviews team has reached out to Life Alert several times to find out how to cancel a contract, and we've gotten mixed signals. One representative said customers can get out of a contract early by paying a penalty fee equal to 2 monthly payments. But we've also been told you can cancel at any time with no penalty fee. Other representatives have said they would need proof that the user had died or moved into an assisted living facility. One thing we don't like about Life Alert is that none of this information is transparently shared on their website. We've also been told we can't view a contract unless we share credit card information. So, if you're on the fence about getting a medical alert system at all, you may want to consider another brand that publicly advertises its cancellation policies. Second, there's no online portal where you can buy Life Alert, so you'll need to call and talk to a salesperson to place your order. Every time the NCOA reviews team has spoken to the Life Alert sales team, they've tried to push us into a same-day sale with the most expensive package, no less. So, this buying experience isn't as straightforward as you might expect. All right, let's take a look at Life Alert equipment next. First up is Life Alert's in-home system, which includes a base station and a button that you wear around your neck. Now, this wearable button has an upgrade that's unique to Life Alert, a built-in two-way speaker. Other in-home systems don't have speakers in their wearable pendants. Instead, if you need help, you have to communicate through the speaker in the base station, which could be in the other room. If the monitoring center agents can't understand you, their protocol is usually to assume the worst and contact emergency services. By adding a two-way speaker to the pendant itself, Life Alert has made it easier to ask for exactly what you need. Now, if you like this feature but decide Life Alert ultimately isn't for you, consider getting a mobile medical alert system. These also have built-in speakers, but they need to be taken off and recharged on a regular basis, typically every few days. Life Alert calls this the micro pendant. It's waterproof and doesn't need to be recharged. Like many other medical alert companies, Life Alert can remotely monitor the device's battery life and will send you a new one when it gets low. The button must stay within about 1,000 feet of the base station in order to work, which is about average. I also want to mention that Life Alert only offers its wearable button as a pendant. A wristband or bracelet option isn't available. This package does not come with fall detection. In fact, fall detection is not a part of any Life Alert product, which is unusual for a medical alert system. If you're at risk for falling, I recommend a device with automatic fall detection. Although no fall detection device is guaranteed to detect 100% of falls, the NCOA reviews team has tested fall detection devices and identified several that are more than 90% accurate. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can learn more about the fall detection devices that we recommend. Now let's talk about cost. This first package costs about $50 per month, plus a one-time $197 activation fee. This is much more expensive than other brands. Other in-home systems start as low as about $20 per month from brands like Mobile Help and Bay Alarm Medical. I'll leave links to those brand reviews in the description below in case you want to check them out. Like the micro pendant, the waterproof wall button has a built-in two-way speaker for easy communication, which is a feature that's unique to Life Alert. We don't know of another brand with this capability. Although it's best to wear the pendant as often as possible, some people don't like to wear it at night or when they shower. As a backup, I recommend placing wall buttons in areas where falls are more likely to occur, such as in the shower or by the toilet. While Life Alert's on-the-go device includes GPS tracking, it's very different than other medical alert systems. Only monitoring center agents can access its location. Unlike other medical alert companies, there's no smartphone app or web portal for caregivers. And it doesn't include fall detection. On the plus side, it has a long-lasting battery, which the company claims will last up to 10 years. It's the only mobile device we know of that doesn't need to be recharged. There's no way to buy the mobile device on its own. You must buy it as part of a package with the in-home system. If you're interested in both an in-home and on-the-go device, Mobile Help and Bay Alarm Medical offer more affordable bundle deals. Again, links to those brand reviews are in the description below. Life Alert splits its products into two packages. The first package includes the in-home system and the mobile system. It costs $89.90 per month and requires a one-time programming fee of $247. The second package includes all three Life Alert products: the in-home system, the on-the-go system, and the waterproof wall button. This package costs $109.85 per month, plus a one-time programming fee of $248. Life Alert is easily the most expensive medical alert system on the market. We've reviewed high-quality systems that cost 3 to 5 times less than Life Alert and manage to offer more features like fall detection. My thoughts: if you're on a budget, steer clear of this brand. All right, let's summarize some of the pros and cons of Life Alert. Some pros are an in-home pendant with a two-way speaker, a waterproof wall button with a two-way speaker, batteries that don't need to be recharged, a lifetime warranty, a price lock guarantee for the duration of your 3-year contract. Cons include no fall detection in any equipment, no GPS tracking for caregivers, no way to buy the mobile device on its own, the most expensive monitoring fees of any brand we've reviewed, a 3-year contract that may be difficult to cancel, and a phone-based sales experience that may expose you to pushy upselling tactics. Life Alert could be right for you if you like the concierge services and two-way speakers, but I wouldn't recommend it if you're at risk for falling. This also isn't the brand to choose if you're on a budget or want a mobile system without an in-home system. If you want to research alternatives, check out the link in the description below to watch my review of the top medical alert systems tested by NCOA. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this helpful. If you'd like to see more videos, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or want to let us know what you think about Life Alert, then drop us a comment. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!